today I'm going to be doing another clothing haul for you. I am doing a Boohoo one. I have ordered quite a bit of stuff from Boohoo before, and I actually think I have another Boohoo order coming soon, so I'll probably do a video for that as well, but I thought might as well do this one at the moment. I really like Boohoo. I feel like it can be a bit of a hit or a miss, but most of the time for the price you pay, it is actually really good. I actually get a lot of my work clothes from there, so I do find that the quality is quite nice, and some items clearly are nicer than others, but honestly, for what you're paying, you really can't complain too much. So let's get started. Okay, so the first item I'm going to show you is just super nice and simple. I just really needed another black hoodie because I lost my other one, but this one is just in a size 8. And it is honestly just the most simplest cotton hoodie. So, I actually haven't put it on before. But yeah, no, it's just a nice, simple, easy hoodie that is just easy to wear. I just really like wearing black hoodies because I feel like they go well with a lot of things. And since I lost mine, I just thought it would be good. I don't think this was very expensive at all. I think it was quite cheap, like $10 or something. So, it is very good. This next item that I'm going to show you is just a simple oh my god, it's just a simple black tee with a little rose detail on the front, which I really like. So I'm just going to put this one on. So the t-shirt comes down to here. I would probably tie it up just so that it's like a cropped, but at least there is the option for it to be not or to be tucked in. I'm usually not the biggest fan of t-shirts, but I tend to roll the sleeves just a bit, usually two rolls. Just because I feel like when I wear a long t-shirt, I just feel like it doesn't suit me very much, but I don't know why. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. I actually really like it. So it's actually just going to be super easy to wear. The fabric is really light as well, so it'll be perfect for summer. And it's easy. It's one of those ones where you can layer it and stuff in winter if it's cold or anything like that as well. So I really actually like this. So this next item is a silky kind of blousey top. It is really pretty. It is in the cheetah print, which is in at the moment, or it was in, and now it's not as much in, but I'm always behind the times, so yeah. But I really like this, yeah, I'll put this on. So I am definitely wearing the wrong bra for this, so please ignore that because it does open up quite a bit and the back is open as well. I would normally wear like a lacy bralette under it because you can see everything, and I really don't want to take away from the top itself because I feel like it is quite busy. So every time I've worn this, I've actually had heaps of compliments in it, so it's actually quite a nice top to wear. And it is, again, light, so you would be able to get away with wearing it in spring or autumn. My favourite part is that it is a wraparound top, so it ties at the front, which I just feel like I love the hanging bit. I feel like it just adds to it. And the back is very open, as you can tell, which is why I would wear a black bralette, just so that, because I feel like this one you couldn't wear nipple covers with because the top just opens too much, so you'd still see your nipple covers and it wouldn't be very pretty. Do you want to say hello? Oh, okay. We have a puppy called Honey who wants to say hi to everyone. Yes. Oh, and now she's camera shy. Every time. It's like you know thing. Okay? And then we have my other one, Cookie, who is again camera shy. You guys are sooks. I do a lot of videos with my puppies as well. I haven't recently because I've been sick since February, so I am going to try and do a lot more, hopefully, fingers crossed. So the next two items is a set. It's a cord set, so it's match top and match skirt. I really like the style of it, except it is completely see-through. And I've tried wearing nude undies and you can see the nude, so it just, and even the bras and things, like it just, every every piece of underwear or anything you can see. So unless you want to freeball it, technically not girls freeball, you know what I mean, then you could, but you can see my tattoo through it. So Boohoo, I love this set, but can you just make the fabric just a little bit thicker, please? So be warned, you are about to see some knickers through the skirt. Okay, so this is the set. As you can see, it is such a nice like style design. Like I feel like it looks nice and hugs in all the right places, and it just like makes your body look nice, and like I feel like with cream or white heels it would look really classy as well. So it's quite annoying. I don't entirely know what I'm going to do unless I find like a skirt that's just like a slip underneath this, but I feel like that would be very uncomfy and it just wouldn't give the same effect because it is so tight. It is like skin tight, but there is heaps of fabric, so it's not uncomfortable. This one as well, you can see, yes, I'm wearing a white bra, but if I was wearing a nude one, you'd be able to see it as well. So I just think it's so pretty. Like, I don't know, I really like it. So I actually did buy it in black, which you will see in my next Boohoo haul, because I figured, I was like, I really like the style, and black you won't be able to see through as much. So that is what my thought process was. This next item, I was so excited when I saw it because I feel like it is just so like pretty and pink, and I just love it, and I love dressing gowns and all things that are pajama orientated. So I got this kimono. It's like a kimono dressing gown. So it is just so like extra. But how like cute is it? Like look at the fluffy sleeves. They're so nice. I love it. I love it so much. I think I'm definitely going to leave this robe as my get ready with me makeup videos when I do them, so that everyone can just see the fluffy sleeves when I do my makeup. And now the last item that I'm going to show you is exactly the same fabric as the top that I just showed. Oh. So as you can see, exact same fabric. Bought at different times, so I didn't just buy a cheetah print, I promise. So it is a wraparound skirt, so I'm just going to put that on now. Okay, so this is a skirt. It is a midi skirt, but it's got quite a high split. It still doesn't show your girly bits. So I really do like this. I feel like the cut of it is just really pretty and flattering. And I feel like with heels, or even with like black thongs and a black top, it would be really cute. It would even be nice as like a beachy sort of skirt. Not sure about this like pattern. If it was in a different pattern, I think for a beach it would be really cute. But yeah, no, I do. I love this skirt. I feel like it is just really pretty. So that is everything in this Boohoo haul. I will have another one coming in soon since I did buy some more stuff. That one is actually going to involve some bikinis and I think like a bodysuit, swimsuit. Like a full piece, a one piece is what I'm trying to say, because I just want to see what their bathers are like. Oops. So yeah, that is my thought process, but there will be another one coming shortly. So if you did like this video, then hold on tight because it is coming very soon. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later. Bye!